everyone, and welcome to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. I am a new channel. This is just my second video, but I thought I would do a video on the Windows 11 beta, just because it just came out and I installed it. Let's go through some features. As you can tell, the taskbar has changed since Windows had a start menu. It's been over here and that kind of thing, with the exception of Windows 8, and then they had the whole tablet feel. They've kept that somewhat with Windows 10 and Windows 11. As you can see from the start menu now, it's more centered like a tablet, and it looks and feels like a tablet. The apps are like a tablet, and the reason this is the way that it is because it's not just for laptops and computers or anything like that. We're more touchscreen friendly. The newer Surfaces would need interfaces like this. But overall, this is the same sort of thing. If you want your traditional apps and all of this, you just click up here at the top hand corner where it says All Apps, and then you can scroll through them. It's in alphabetical order, the same as it's always been if you have your start menu organized in that manner. Another noticeable difference is this, where you have the search thing down here, where Windows 10 had the search bar that was akin to the run box. This is essentially the same thing. If you want to run anything of that nature, you just type it in here and it will come up, and you can go through apps, documents, this kind of thing. You can search through that kind of thing. And the other difference is this, where the Windows 10 had start menu, had your widgets in the start menu. This has a separate widgets menu, and it's a space saver essentially. If you want to get to your weather app or any of that, you just go to the widgets menu instead of having a big panel come out with your start menu. See, it's just a shortened panel like this, and it's quick reference in it. The settings app has also changed. This is more like a tablet feel when it pops up. I apologize for the delay. It's a new operating system, and it's my laptop. But as you can see, this is also more tablet oriented as well. You can go through your display, your power options, and all of this stuff. And if you want to go to your system information, whereas for years it was either called system information system, whatever incarnation that Windows had, this actually you go to about like you would on a tablet or any other device, or any app for that matter. If you go to Google Chrome and you want to know what version you have, you go to the About tab. This is the same way, where it shows all the stuff. I probably shouldn't be showing my product ID in a video, but yeah, well. And you go to this PC here, and your icons has changed to more of tablet kind of feel icons as well for your videos and all this, that, and the other. But it's all essentially the same. You go to network, and because I have just a home network here, and I have some things turned off because it's my personal network, but you can see your printers and all that stuff. The settings menu has changed, the icons have changed, the location of things has changed, but not really a whole lot of difference. This is still Windows Home. Now, one very important thing. If you have a device that you're thinking about upgrading or installing it, you need to do a couple of things. One is to go to your search box or run box or whatever and type in the following: tpm.msc. As it shows up down there, there's tpm.msc, and it tells you it's a Microsoft Common Console document, which we used to call the management consoles, but that's neither here nor there. And then in the bottom box it says TPM Manufacturer Management. You have your name, mine's INTC, manufacturer version, but the most important thing is your specification version. Since Microsoft is currently requiring a TPM 2.0, the specification version has to be 2.0. If it is not, then likely Windows 11 will not install on your device. Just as a brief rundown, everything else is pretty much the same. Well, when you right click on the desktop, you used to have other icons, and they would be grayed out if you didn't have anything in your clipboard. They've changed this somewhat, and it's not all that much of a change. When it says show more options, you get more of a traditional menu, same as this, as a folder and a new and all of this. However, all right, and I have a folder here for demonstration purposes. If you right click on the folder, you can see several different things that used to be like here. You got pin to quick access, which would be down here. If you want to pin it to start, it would probably be along in here. But where are you cut, copy, and paste? Well, they're down here. More like some versions of Linux. You got your little icons down here. You got cut, copy, rename, and then the trash. And if you copy something, like let me copy this folder, and then I want to paste it. All right. Go to paste shortcut up here, and I can paste the shortcut if I want to. Or I can come down here to this, and this will give me my paste options. As you can see, the shortcut key of Control V is still the same. The shortcut key for copy is Control C. It's always the same. They haven't changed too much. Now, and additional to that, if you go into here, and this is just a blank document for demonstration purposes again. Whereas the traditional menu is new, and then you have this little drop down. This is new item. But that, it's pretty self-explanatory. Sorry. Then you can go to your properties, and then it says open in Windows Terminal. That's slightly new for anything else. But now, because that's more of a PowerShell kind of thing, depending on PowerShell. You might be thinking, okay, well, I didn't see one. Where is the traditional command prompt? Does it exist, or is there even a command prompt? Well, yeah. You go up here and type in CMD. Because for me personally, the command prompt wasn't showing up in my start menu. It should be, but it isn't. But see, the app's still here. It's all the way that it used to be, a version 10 point whatever, and all that. And then you have all this. Just do help like you used to. Go through all your commands. They tend to be the same. I think with Windows 11, they're finally pushing us more towards using PowerShell, which some of you are going to like and some of you are not. And, so far, these are the only major changes that I see. But then again, I'm releasing this video after using this for a day. Okay? I haven't gotten into the meat and potatoes of it. And as you can see where I copied that folder and pasted it, I have a copy of this folder. Now, where I clicked was somewhere out of here. It did Windows thing and put it over to the side like it is. Now, I will release more videos on Windows 11 as I can. Again, please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and in the comments, please tell me any topics that you would wish that I would cover. This channel is specifically designed for beginners, students, parents, anything with it. I aim to cover any kind of learning topic that I can, K through 12, technology-wise, or even college level, if I know enough about that subject to make videos. And even if I don't, I can research them and try to make some videos. And my goal is to simplify everything, to make it accessible to children and parents and anything like that. With remote learning becoming more and more popular, I myself got my bachelor's and master's degrees online. So remote learning becoming more and more popular, this is just something that I'm going to do, and I promise that I will get better and better at making these videos. I understand that my first 2 videos are terrible, but again, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you.